Welcome to another episode of organizing products you definitely don't need but can be helpful in the right situation. But first, I'm Allison, a professional organizer, and I've been helping clients reclaim their space in their lives for nearly a decade now. Spring-loaded bamboo drawer dividers. They're great for creating division in an otherwise large space. You get these like little compartments. They're especially good for awkward sized drawers, and it gives structure to your space so everything can have a home. Sometimes I use them in conjunction with other organizing products to really make sure things aren't moving around and create additional structure. Do not limit yourself to kitchens only with these. Use them in bedrooms, closet, your clothes drawer, your home office. The possibilities are really endless. As always, the goal of organizing is never to add more things into your home, so be intentional with your purchases and make sure these are something that you actually need and will use before adding to cart. You also want to make sure that you are decluttering your space first, because sometimes we have a space like a drawer, like a closet, like an entire room where we don't actually need that much in terms of organizing products. What we really need to do is just pare down what we actually have. Don't forget to follow along to keep getting organized with me, and let me know if you have these already, where are some of the places that you've used them.